is about polygon. Okay, write the definition first. A polygon is a simple closed curve made up of line segments. Okay, in polygon we cannot draw its side by curved lines. It is made up of line segments. Okay, and it should be closed from all directions. Okay, look here. Here is a figure of a polygon ABCD, and all the sides are closed. Okay, and all its sides are made up of line segments. This type of figure is called polygon. Okay, there are various parts in a polygon. Look here, the line segments are the sides of the polygon. There are 4 line segments AB, BC, CD and AD. These are called its sides of the polygon. Okay. Next one is the any two sides with common endpoint are adjacent sides. Okay, look here. This is our line segment AD and this is line segment DC. And okay, and the common endpoint is in both the lines are each D. So we can say AD and DC are adjacent sides of the polygon. Okay, next one is the meeting point of a pair of sides is called vertex. Okay, look here, AD and DC meet at D. So D is called its vertex. Okay, there are other 3 vertex also. There are in total 4 vertices are there in our figure. Okay, next one is the meeting point of a pair of sides. The endpoints of the same side are adjacent vertices. Okay, the endpoints of the same side are adjacent vertices. The adjacent vertices of A is D. The adjacent vertices of A is B. Okay, we cannot say that the adjacent vertices of A is C. Okay. Next one is the join of any two non-adjacent vertices is a diagonal. Okay, when we join the non-adjacent vertices means A and C. When we draw a line from A to C, or we join it from A to C, then it is called, look here, it is called diagonal. Okay, these are the all parts which are necessary for a polygon. Okay, note it down properly. Now we will name the different parts of the polygon according to its name. Okay, sides means, look here, AB, BC, CD and DA all are called the sides of the polygon. Now come to adjacent sides. Adjacent sides means AB and BC. They have the common vertex. Okay, AB and BC are common vertex is B. Okay, these are called adjacent sides of the polygon. Next one is the vertices. The plural form of vertex is vertices. There are 4 vertices in the figure. point A, point B, point C, and point D. Okay, these are called the vertices of the polygon. Next one is the adjacent vertices. Vertex A and vertex D, okay, are called the adjacent vertices of the polygon. There may be other name. Here I have taken two names only. Next one is the diagonals. Look here, AC and BD. The opposite vertex are, when we draw a line or when we join the opposite vertices, then we will find a diagonal. Means AC and BD. These two line segments are called the diagonals of the polygon. Okay, note it down properly. All about our today's topic, like curves and polygons. Okay, I hope you understood the topic properly and do all the numbers from your exercise. See you in the next class. Bye.